Hello guys, GMGM. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use swaps.io dApp for seamless cryptocurrency swaps. Swaps.io is a powerful centralized application that allows you to easily exchange digital assets across different blockchains without the need for complex vision processes. In this video, we walk you through every step from performing your first swap to troubleshooting common issues. Why is swap.io useful? It simplifies cross-chain interactions, often offers fixed rates to avoid slippage, and aggregates liquidity for potentially better fees and faster execution. Let's dive in. So this is the blog on the Socks.io website that guides you to on how to swap, that guides you on how to swap. So let's make a video. This is a actual screen record. First, you need to go to swaps.io. Take note of the swaps.io website on your browser. After reaching the site, first you need to connect your retail wallet to the Swaps.io app. Look for connect wallet button either here or here, but I'll go with here. You connect your preferred wallet. I'm using Trust Wallet here. So it will take some pop-up that are not shown in this screen record. Right. So the connect wallet pop-up will depend on your wallet, but usually on my left side, on the left side of my screen, it actually shows a reject and confirm pop-up. You will notice it when you are making your own transaction. Alright, so after connection, you could see that this is the home page, this is the send for where you choose the tokens you want to swap and receive the tokens you want to receive. So over here, I choose to send BNB. Okay, this is where I choose my BNB. Under sell, you put the token you want to sell, and under buy, you choose the token you want to get. So I'm selling my BNB to get USDT, right? So this is how you choose it under here. That's how I choose it. So here, I'll enter my 68. This is the amount I want to sell, and this is how much I will get in USDT. My slippage is 1% because that's the amount I can accommodate as gas fee. As the percentage of your slippage percentage affects the amount you get to pay as gas. If you set up to 2%, the transaction will be fast, but you will charge more gas fee. So I'm okay with 1% and I review my trade. So this the wallet will then prompt you to sign or confirm the transaction. Pay attention to the gas fees associated with the transaction, especially on methods like Ethereum. Click confirm in your wallet to initiate your swap. So here the gas fee is this. This is what I'm getting. Swaps.io rewards you for swapping with them. So there we go. Alright. So here my wallet prompts me to confirm this. So if I press confirm, I am going to confirm this swap. Look over here. It is swapping. Swap completed successfully. Have you seen it? Swap has been completed successfully. Now, why do swaps fail? Sometimes transactions can fail. Here are some common reasons on how to address them. The frequent cause of failed transactions is insufficient gas fee. Make sure you have your gas fee in your wallet. Once the swap transaction is submitted, Swaps.io will usually provide you with a transaction ID or a direct link to a blockchain explorer. Click on this link to track the progress of the transaction on the blockchain. So this is my transaction, and you can see the timestamp 1 minute ago with the transaction hash. You see? Make sure it shows successful. If it shows pending, that means the transaction is waiting to be confirmed by the network. The number of confirmations required can vary depending on the blockchain. Congratulations! You have now learned how to use swaps.io the app for seamless crypto swaps, troubleshoot common issues, and track your transactions. Swaps.io simplifies the process of exchanging assets across different blockchains, making it a valuable tool for any crypto user. If you find this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe.